So major update for the Monad Airdrop, which we're gonna go and check in this video. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. And with that said, we jump straight to it. After the first thing that I do want to let you know though, make sure to go and farm Pacifica. Pacifica is a Solana-based perpetual DEX. It's a closed beta DEX yet. And as we see here, we are going to look at the volume. You don't want to miss it. Right now, it's standing at number 6 with a 1 billion 24-hour volume, multiple days in a row already. So we are really looking forward to it. The link will be down below. And being a closed beta, what does it mean? Well, it means that the invite is only via invitational links and codes, which you will find down below. And there's only a limited availability for all of you to go and join. So make sure to go and join right now. Start trading. One important thing, point system is already live. To be able to be eligible for the daily points that you gain, you need to have at least 10,000 in daily volume. What does this mean? It means simply open $200 at 50x Bitcoin or Ethereum long right here. Put everything on Ethereum at a 50x long, $210. You get $10,000 in trading volume, and that's it. You will get your points with this one. This is so that they basically take out all the spam and the non-traders and the bots and all of that, which is really good. So definitely make sure to participate. We have already gotten volume. We are trading 320,000 in 14 days. Make sure to join. There is a leaderboard and everything. And as we see here from DeFi Llama, we had a spike, so it is coming main soon. Very soon it's gonna be main. As we see here, super spike, 10 billion in a week. So don't miss it. We probably missed Aster, you missed hype, so come and join Pacifica right now. This is where the money is at. But talking about the Monad airdrop, what do you need to know? Well, as we see here, Monad has released official on their page 80% completing. And where will you be able to go and claim the airdrop and when? Well, as we see here, doing the math, it does seem like the first one was posted on October 2, 51%, the second one on October 6, 80%. So it does look like on October 9th, tomorrow potentially, you are going to be able to claim the airdrop, which is really good. And what to expect within the airdrop? Well, one thing that we know right now is this one. Monad has created two lists on Twitter. You can create a Twitter list. And the probably the CT, the crypto Twitter guys who might be getting the airdrop. So, are you in this list or not? Are you in these two Monad list? Yes or no? To go and check if you're in a list, simply go to your homepage and then go to the following, go all the way over here and check if you are on a list, in one of these lists. If you are, you will see your list here, or simply you can also go to the Explore tab and check right over here if you got any notification. If you go to the bookmark, you will not see it. If you go to the communities, you will be able to go and see it. Yes, so this is where you will also be able to go and see it. So let me know if you are part of that list or not, because you do have the possibility to go and be part of that. Definitely let me know. But as it stands right now, where also will you be able to go and claim it? Well, one thing that I'd also want to miss is that here, two new listings just landed on Aster Spot. You can go and trade Giggle and the 4 token, the two Binance token, for so to say, that are not a meme coin, but like are Solana based. You're gonna go simply go to the spot trading, which by the way, for season 3, it's allowed. Like you're earning points if you're holding spot as well. So it could be a good thing to go and do it, and you will find it right here. Simply go. You can either put Giggle right here and you find it right here with the pricing and everything that you need to go and do, which is very nice. And you're able to go and buy and sell and do all of the things that you want with the token, as well as therefore I will leave you the link down below. Make sure to go and participate. If you want a long short, you can't. It's simply spot, which basically means you buy now and you hold for X amount of time. That's what spot means. But I will leave it down below. We are on a season 3. We're already on a 1.5 multiplier. We're already getting the points. We're already doing everything. So make sure to come and join. But when it comes to the Monad airdrop, where are you able to claim? Well, avoid any links. Anything outside that you see on Twitter, anything. I will take a video on it. But if you will be eligible on the 9th, simply open your Phantom wallet a few times, insert your password on the Phantom wallet, and to be able to go and claim the airdrop, you will see it here. Phantom has released this function over on their wallet that you will see here if you're eligible for some airdrops, if you do have some token allocation for anything. So Either it is the official Monad page right here, or it's gonna be on your Phantom wallet. If you don't have access to Twitter for some reason, you cannot do it, nor nothing, you will have it right here, the claim. Now, is it too late to go and farm? Yes. If you haven't farmed it, don't stress about it. Don't over farm it. Make sure to go and farm something like Pacifica right here. Make sure to go and farm Aster Season 3. Monad is a little bit too late to be able to go and farm it. That is just the reality of things. Testnet users, yes, you will eat good. We will see whether or not it's a letdown or whether or not it's going to be the airdrop of the year. But it's late now. So with that said, just remember this was a quick video, just an introduction video on the MONAD Airdrop, and I will take you also the video if I'm able to. I'm a bit busy with in real life events, but as it stands right now, make sure to farm the Season 3 Airdrop over here with Perpetual or Spot. As we see here, I do have Perpetual open as well. Make sure to farm Pacifica. I think is the best one. Just make sure of the volume, have volume on a daily basis, and you are good to go. So with that said, thank you very much for watching. A bit of a quicker video, but I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.